Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you this moisturizer, this body lotion, that if you're looking for just a moisturizer, yeah, that you can never go wrong with it. So if you want to see this moisturizer, if you want to see this lotion, please keep on. This is Soap and Glory. This is one of the creams I have tried. If you're in UK, you might be familiar with this Soap and Glory. So this, I normally get it from Boots. So Soap and Glory is a very nice cream. If you just want a moisturizer, if you want something that will just keep your skin, just to moisturize your skin, then it's Soap and Glory. Like, this is very nice. One of the things that made me to go for this is the smell. It smells so beautiful. As you can see, it says it smooths and softens and chases away flakes. It's the Righteous Butter body lotion. Like, this is what it tells you, that is what it does. Like, it's so good. Because sometimes I like something that's, even if I'm using like Macari, whatever, sometimes I just like to leave that and then go for moisturizer for a day or two, and then I'll go back to my cream. That's what I just like to add moisturizer into my skincare. I have like 1 or 2 moisturizers I use that I incorporate into my everyday cream. So when I use my normal cream, like maybe 5 days or thereabout, in that 5 days I like to go with either this or another one, which I will still make a review and show you guys just gradually. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are still watching up to this time and you like what you see, I will urge you to subscribe to my channel, please, so you will get instant notification whenever I put that video up, or any video up about cream or like anything, so you can, you know, be first to get notified, and then, you know, you watch it. So this is one of the cream, like, you can't go wrong with it. This body lotion, I can't remember how much I got it, but I buy it from Boots Cosmetics. So it's very good, guys. Like, it moisturizes your skin so, like, beautifully. You can't go wrong with this. This doesn't make your skin, like, it's not a toning skin, but it's a moisturizer that will keep your skin like at a bay. It hydrates your skin during the winter period, and you're looking for what can moisturize your skin and keep your skin very beautiful and you know, hydrates and you know, youthful, something that can give you that youthful skin, still moisturize your skin as well. Soap and Glory does that. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what it says here. First of all, is this one is 500 ml, and is a, of course, Righteous body butter. So this is antioxidant formula with shea butter, almond oil, aloe vera, glycerin, rose hip seed, vitamin E, like, you know, you can see it here, you know. So it's really really good. It has body scrub as well, so it has a sugar scrub. Like if you go to their line, like they have so many. So I just like to buy this one, and the cup one, the moisturizer as well, that just exactly like this, but the cup one, I just like it a lot. So I have used that one, I've used this one, but for now this is what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how this looks. So you can see, like, I didn't even stress this. Like, I did not stress this at all. You can see how it just penetrates in the skin. Like, I did not stress it one bit. Anything I show you on my channel, like, is legit, guys. I cannot come here and show you what I have not used, as I said, or either somebody I know might have used it. This will make me to review it and know that my friend, or yeah, somebody has actually used it and is good on their skin. That's the only reason why I can bring something I haven't used. But this one, and that if I bring something like that, I will tell you that I have not used this one. But this, anything I'm showing you, otherwise I have used all these things. And you can see I use this, like as I told you, at least I can use them like one or two in a week, incorporate it with my everyday cream. I incorporate this type of moisturizer into my regimen. So yeah, that's it. So it's so good, it's so good. I can't stress this so much because I know it's good. So it says here, apply body butter lotion all over after showering, paying particular attention to your rough spots like dry heels and nails and all that. Like, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. One of the things that got my attention when it's the first time I like this cream, I've been using this like over 7 years. Yeah, over 7 years. But I don't take it as my main cream. As I have said, I just incorporate them like one or two times in a week, where I just like my skin to be that fresh, silky, smooth, beautiful. Like, that's my, I like my skin to be to be moisturized. You see, that's what I like about, like, I just like my skin to like so soft and beautiful. So that's it. I don't want to stress this so much. So this is like full review. Like, this is like all I can give you guys. If you want something that can moisturize your skin and still give you all these things, please, yeah, it's really really good. So my lovelies, again, Soap and Glory has a wide range collection, and they have soap, they have face cream, they have scrub, like, mention it. And in the last few years I have used quite a lot. I have used their face cream, I have used their body wash and all that, and they are really really good. They are so good. And as I have said, it has shea butter, it has almond oil, it has aloe vera, glycerin, rose hip seed, vitamin E. Like, is good, is good. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. And guys, as I've said, it smells divine. Like, when I say Soap and Glory, one of the things that got my attention when the time I saw it first, the time I laid my hands on it first, is the smell. It smells amazing, like beautiful. Like, when I tell you that it smells like beautiful, believe it smells so beautiful. So so I will go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and share this video, guys. Please, please, if you like my video, please share it. You can share it on your WhatsApp, you can share it on your Facebook, you can share it on Instagram. Just share it anywhere shareable. So and give my video thumbs up as well, so this will motivate me, this will give me that boost to be bringing out these things to you guys. So if you like it in any way, please do these things I said, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you are new, welcome to my family. You are one of us now, so thank you so much. I genuinely appreciate you all. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye, lovelies.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's